Rebel. Ito ano din. I know what that. Ay, created ito natin. Yeah, you build it. He needs to do it.
Ate, parang familiar yun. Hindi sa akin yan.
Need to do it.
Kasi kayo mag-shape guys, kapag-volvolist na lang. Iwasan nyo yun dahil nakakapag-date, nakakalitin, at nakatiyan-tiyan, tsaka yung tubo niyan. So, para maiwasan natin yung ganyang fake.
Oh my god. They build a lot. I told you about that and my gun I fire up. Now I'm the third gun. What about that? They build it now. Baby. Import up
Sobrang mura lang ito. Kaya
the
order
figure. Kamo!
Hindi lang ikaw ang nagsabi niyan. Sobrang dami talaga ang nag-check.
You did the fitting. You need the one, not it. Baliktad. Number. Ano mo yep. Right on. That. That one over here. No, we leave it as here. That. That. There's right that. There's right tone. Done. You are the army leader. Teto. Tapi. Freaking teeth. Wait yan.
Sa lahat ng panahon.
Sana nyo at chat the freaking repair. Takay another pair. That down na. You need to do later. Make sure the top, the bigger one, the down, the smaller one are the top. Then you have the beacon, the mayek. Another one we Waiver. No Yibian. No Meteorite Typical. Ito na. Ito. Tanan na. Kabit the top. Oh my Major the font. Taka ulit again you have the jacket kit. Wait, I need to build it. Where the fire here? Where the fire here? I need to find the fire.
Hello?
Bakit ikaw dito?
Empress. Sa bahay. Ang bahay mo?
Bago bahay nyo?
Wala ba?
Did jacket kit agad? Ulit, make sure like to type sa pictionary na kayo. Ito na ang part in the way about that.